Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, to disable location you need to choose close. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my shortcut turned gray. That means that location is definitely off, but you can always switch it back on by clicking on the same tile again. If you wish to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!